to DVD, a Microsoft Paint animation series from Decoding Age. Now, come ride the rails of Mr. Melmer's New Jersey Railway with Tiggins and Chad, Kathy, Eric, Jackaroo, and Johnny as they approach to new adventures.
Isn't my branch line the most famous part of this railway?
Well, yes, Chad, but...
But what?
Well, there is another engine who has a famous branch line.
Who? Where?
I don't know.
With special guest Thompson Tank Engine, who's visiting Mr. Melmer's railway. And Tank Engine Chad is just complaining about Thomas just because he has a famous railway that's famous than Chad.
Branch line, more famous than mine, made me late. It's just not fair. Not fair at all.
And you should see how Jackaroo saved their Halloween party from being cancelled.
I deserve all the credit. Chad and Johnny couldn't free the pumpkins from the mud, so I came to the rescue.
And check out the bonus features when Tank Engine Chad tries candy canes and Mr. Melmer tries a Tootsie Pop. Tank Engine Chad and Friends, the DVD. Own it now.